Good morning, all of you. In the last class, we have completed the quantity calculation of cement concrete work in foundation of a two-room building with front veranda using long wall and short wall method. And today we are going to do the next item of work, that is brick work in foundation and plinth. So in the details of measurement form, write down serial number 3, and under particulars of item write down first class brickwork in foundation and plinth. So first we will go for the quantity calculation of room, then we will do the quantity calculation of veranda. So first write down room, and under room first we will go for calculation of long wall. So now we will see the sectional detail of 30 centimeter wall, because the rooms are consisting of 30 centimeter wall. So for calculation of foundation and plinth brickwork, we have to refer the sectional detail of the 30 centimeter wall. So in this diagram you can see here, after the concreting work of 30 centimeter width, there are 3 numbers of footing. One is 70, second footing is of 60, third footing is of 50, and then there is a plinth wall of 40 centimeter width. So there are 3 numbers of footing and a plinth wall. So first we will go for the calculation of first footing of long wall. So first footing is of width 70 centimeter, that is 0.7 meter, and depth of the first footing is, see here, this is 20 centimeter, that is 0.2. Okay. So this is the details of first footing. So in order to go for the calculation of, in order to get the length of the, so this foundation and the brickwork in foundation and plinth item is a cubic meter item. So it has length, breadth as well as depth. So in order to get the length of the first footing, so we have to add the half of the width of the first footing to the center to center length of the long wall. So this is the, as we have done in our previous classes, with the center to center length of long wall, we will add half of the width of the first footing on both the sides. So width of the first footing is 0.7 by 2. So the length will be center to center length of long wall plus half of the width of the first footing. As we are now calculating the first footing, quantity of first footing, so we will consider the width of first footing. So the center to center length of long wall of room is, so it is, so this is 8.1. So with the center to center length of 8.1, we will add 0.7 by 2 plus 0.7 by 2. So this will give you the length, that is 8.8. Similarly, for second footing, the width of second footing, you can see here, the width of second footing is, see here, this is 60 centimeter, 60. So with the center to center length of long wall, we will add half of the width of the second footing on both sides. Clear? And the width of the second footing is 60, and the corresponding depth is, while doing the second footing, the width will be 0.6 and depth will be, see here, the depth will be how much? This is of thickness 10 centimeter, that means 0.1. Clear? Similarly, while calculating third footing, the width becomes, for third footing, the width becomes 50 and the thickness is 10. Then for plinth wall, the width becomes 40 and the depth becomes 80. So now we will move to the details of measurement form. So see, in the details of measurement form, first footing. So see, in the remark column, write down the length of the first footing will be center to center length of long wall, that is 8.1. This is constant. With this we will add half of the width of the first footing on both sides. That means one width of the first footing, that is 0.7. So it becomes 8.8. Number of long wall is 2. So number of first footing will also be equal to 2. Then breadth is 0.7, depth is 0.2. Then simply we will multiply these 4 columns. So the total quantity of first footing is 2.46 cubic meter. Similarly, we will go for the second footing. So for second footing, see here, the width of second footing was 0.6, depth was 0.1. So in order to get the length with the center to center line length, that is 8.1, we will add half of the width of the second footing on both sides. That means one width of second footing, which will give you the length as 8.7 meter. Number is 2. So then by multiplying all the 4 columns, we will get the total quantity as 1.04 cubic meter. Similarly, third footing. The third footing is of width 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter. So the length will be equal to, with the center to center length, you will add half of the width of the third footing on both the sides. See here. So length is equal to 8.1 plus 0.5, that is 8.6. Width is 0.5, depth is thickness, that is thickness of third footing is 0.1. Then by multiplying, we will get 0.86 as the quantity. Then next is plinth wall. So width of plinth wall was 0.4. Then length will be equal to, with the center to center length, we will add half of the width of the plinth wall on both the sides. So this will give you the length as 8.5. Breadth is 0.4. Depth is 0.8, that is thickness of the plinth wall is 0.8. So by multiplying all these 4, we will get the total quantity as 5.44 cubic meter. So with this, we have completed the quantity calculation of long wall. Clear? Then we will move to the short wall. Similarly, for short wall also, there are 3 footings and 1 plinth wall. So for short wall, we will first go for the first footing. So these 3 are the short wall. So for calculation of first footing along short wall, the length will be equal to, from the center to center length of short wall, we have to subtract half of the width of the first footing from both the side. Clear? So width of first footing is 0.7, and from the center to center length of the short wall, we will subtract half of the width from the both side. So here the center to center length of short wall is 4.3. So from this 4.3, we will subtract half of the width of the first footing. So this will be equal to 3.6 meter. And the width of the first footing is 0.7, depth is 0.2 meter. Clear? So similarly, while calculating the second footing along short wall, So from this center to center length of short wall, we will subtract half of the width of second footing from both the side. So now we will move to the details of measurement form. So in details of measurement form, see here, this is the first footing. Write down short wall, then first footing. So here in the remark column, write down 4.3 is the center to center length. From this, subtract half of the width of the first footing from both the side. That means 1 width of first footing. So number of short wall is 3. So number of first footing will be 3. Length is 3.6. Breadth is 0.7. Depth is 0.2. Then by multiplying all these columns, we will get the total quantity as 1.51 cubic meter. Similarly, while going for the second footing, from the center to center line length, subtract half of the width of the second footing from both the sides. That means from 4.3, subtract 0.6 by 2 and 0.6 by 2. So this will be equal to 3.7. Breadth is 0.6, depth is 0.1. Similarly for third footing, from the center to center line, subtract 0.5. That is the width of the third footing. So length becomes 3.8, width is 0.5, thickness is 0.1. Then by multiplying all these 4 columns, we will get the total quantity as 0.57. Clear? Similarly, for plinth wall, from the center line length of 4.3, subtract 0.4. So the length becomes 3.9, width is 0.4, thickness is 0.8. By multiplying all this, we will get total quantity as 3.74 cubic meter. So with this, we have completed the long wall and short wall, the quantity of brickwork along long wall and short wall of room. And in the next class, we will do the quantity calculation of the same item along for the veranda. Thank you.